Welcome. In front of me I have INFINIX Xwatch 3 GT, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the My Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the My Health application. Or never mind, before we open the My Health app, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the app to send the notifications to your watch. So to do that, we need to open the settings first. My bad. In settings, we need to find option called Bluetooth and tap on it. And here you should see your Xwatch 3 GT on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. And this option should be here, called Share System Notifications, and it needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. If you're missing this option, because it's possible you are, now you need to open the app, and tap on Devices, connect your watch, then tap on Push Notifications, and try to turn on some notifications and wait. And once you turn them on, you probably will see some pop-ups on the screen about the notifications. And once you see them, allow all of the required permissions. And once you allow them, the option should be there. So we can go back and check. And we can close this for now. Go back to the settings, Bluetooth, and now info, of course. And now the option should be here. Make sure it is enabled, because otherwise the notifications won't be working. And now we can go back to the app, My Health app, Devices, connect our watch. And here we have push notifications and call notifications. I'm gonna tap first on push notifications, and here you can turn on or off notifications for specific applications. As you can see, the list is limited, but if you enable the others option, it will turn on the notifications for the apps on your iPhone that are not on this list. So it will be basically anything else that is not here on the list. So, for example, I'm gonna try Discord and it should be working. Let's wait until it's done doing whatever it's doing. If it won't, we're gonna reboot the app. Oh no, it did. Okay, it finished. So we can go back, and we can also enable the notifications for the calls. So we can tap on call notifications and turn them on by tapping on the switch. So once you're done customizing the settings for your notifications, you should be able to receive them. I'm gonna turn on Discord and check if I'm logged in. I am not, so I'm gonna quickly log in into a Discord. And after I log in into Discord, we're gonna test it out. It should be working, but we'll see. If it won't work, we're just gonna troubleshoot it. Okay, so I am logged in into Discord. And now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord so we can see the notification for it. And we got the notification on our iPhone, and I believe we also got it on our watch because I heard the vibration. And here we have it. So it is working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.